Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Percy's Outdoors. This is the next video in our series of videos where we are repairing our bridge and the trails. So if you remember, we moved to this property a year ago. We helped maintain about 120 acres. This bridge has completely rotted out, and we're in the process of repairing it. Basically, we've put some landscaping black plastic conduit on the bottom to help water flow. It's not really a stream or anything, it's just kind of more of a swampy wetlands area, so we just like to help the water flow. And then we're surrounding the conduit with rock, so the rock will also help water flow from one end of the bridge to the other, and it'll also provide structural support to the bridge. And once we get all the rock in, we will go ahead and put a new surface on the bridge. I don't know, plywood or 6x12s. I'm not sure. Wood's really expensive right now, so we'll see what we can maybe get through donation, or if we have to go out and buy it. So this is the current status, and this is the next video. Wow, here, if you want to go low, so we're going to figure out where we get more rock from Rock Formation down the road. We're trying to do this as inexpensively as possible. It's all volunteer work, and we don't want to come out of pocket for it.